Hello all, welcome to Binary Programming. In this video, we will talk about the reverse method of a string class. This method returns a string with all the characters reversed. So let's try to implement this method in the class. So we have a class called string class method, and in this class we are going to write a new method. Let's say public static void, and the name of the method will be test reverse. In this method, we are going to create a string variable called input, and let's say the value of this will be Salesforce. And now we are going to create another string variable called output, and in this variable we are going to store the value returned by the reverse method. So we are going to call the reverse method on the input variable, and finally what we are going to do is we are going to print the output using system.debug statement. So let's say the output is, and we are going to put output variable here. So that's it. So we have a class called string class method. In that we have created a method called test reserve. We have created a variable called input, and the value of the input is Salesforce. And then we have created another variable called output to test the reverse method and store the output in this particular variable, and then we are printing it out. So let's test it out. We're going to open the execute anonymous window, and in this we are going to call this method string class methods dot test reverse. We're going to click on execute, and it will open the logs for us. Then we are going to filter the logs to, let's say, debug only, and we got the desired output. The string Salesforce is printed in reverse order. So that's it. That's the function of reverse method. This method returns the string with all the characters reversed. Thank you guys for being here. We'll see you in the next video.